ito yung nakakapanabik na tagpo ng gabi nito.
Samas for Best Actor goes to
Vice Ganda and the
Vice
Breadwinner!
Thank you so much, Pamas, for making me the very first blonde, fully made up, in black gown to receive the Best Actor Award. May this trophy, may this recognition, may this award inspire all the queer kids to embrace the endless possibilities that the world is offering you. As a queer kid, as a queer person, you are limitless and you can be the best makeup artist, you can be the best hairstylist, you can be the best fashion designer, you can be the best educator, you can be the best politician, you can be the best actress, and you can also be the best actor. Because as a queer person, your possibilities are limitless.
Hindi ka laging ipapapanalo ni Lord sa oras o pagkakataong gusto mo. Ipapanalo